Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the Filmora video editing series. So in the last class we have discussed about the basic options. So now we are going to discuss about some other options which are going to be very useful for you guys. So first of all, so as you can see, here's the option for the crop. If you want to crop the video, you can also do that. You have to click on the crop. After clicking on the crop, you have to select the area of the crop, that how much you want to crop the video. You have to select the ratio. You can select it by yourself as well. If you want to do it in custom, you can do that. And all the details and all the ratios are provided here. It's up to you. If you want to choose anyone, you can do that. If you want to reset it, you have to click on the reset. It will be done. So I'm going to cancel this one. After that, you have the speed, that if you want to increase the speed of the video, like in slow motion, if you want to 0.5x to 5x, it's up to you that how much speed you want. If you want to make it faster, you guys can also do that. Here all the speeds are provided here: normal, freeze frame, reverse, and all things are provided here. After that, you have another option for the color grading. If you want to make color corrections in your video, you guys can do that. You have to click on this option. After clicking on this, as you can see, some filters are provided here. If you guys want to use these, you also can use this. If you want to adjust it by yourself, then all options are provided here. You just have to use these options. For example, threshold and value and white balance, all things are mentioned here. Temperature and all details are mentioned here. You guys can use these options as per your need. If you want to save as a custom, you guys can also do that. And if you don't want to do that, you have to click on the reset all and it will be back again. So after that, as you can see, these are the options, and the next option is duration. If you want to check the duration or reduce the duration of the clip, you guys can also do that. It's up to you that how much duration you want to make set. After that, you have a chroma key option. If you want to remove the background of the video, you guys can also do that. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. And these are the undo and redo options. So these are the basic options. So finally, we have covered all the basic options. From the next video series, we are going to discuss about the stock media, audio, titles, and the main and the important thing. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.